Nice to meet you, Sebastian. You're here today to tell me about Spring. So for those that don't know and maybe new to it, what is Spring?
So Spring is the most widely used framework, so the building block that we use in the Java and Kotlin ecosystem. It's usually used in big projects and bank, insurance, a big organization. And so we try to integrate the JVM libraries in a consistent way and provide a consistent programming model that people are used to for 25 years, I think, so quite a long time.
So you're covering AI recently as well. What's been added to Spring for AI?
So I have been working in the Spring framework, so the core of the portfolio, for 13 years. And recently, a few months ago, I have joined the Spring AI project, which is basically, we have in Spring World, we have Spring Data, Spring Security, Spring everything. Not everything, but a lot of things. And so AI is a core concern. And basically, we want to make it easier to leverage OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini models with Spring using static typing and all the goodness from Spring, Java, Kotlin. And so basically, we provide Spring AI as a kind of integration library that provide API that will allow to integrate AI features within your business application.
So you're providing an abstraction over the LLM, the inference of the back end. So I think I saw from the COO talk that also providing perhaps a memory layer for AI agents.
Yeah, exactly. So we provide abstraction for various kind of models, so chat, image, embedding, etc. Audio also. We provide basically vector store support, and we provide memory abstraction to basically have persistence. We are currently rewriting that, so the memory API is the current one that people should use. And we are working on Session API for Spring AI 2.1 end of this year that will support in a more flexible way short-term, long-term memory and provide an even better abstraction.
Okay, so you mentioned short-term and long-term memory then. Is that all built on the database layer that you have as well and those data abstractions? Does that extend to a vector database as well?
Yeah, so it will support various kinds of database or just persistence mechanism. We provide support for the most popular ones, and basically the Spring AI community is providing support for the less first-class ones.
And Spring is quite a big open source project, as I understand it. How have you found AI has impacted the projects? A lot of projects have had to shut off external contributions or have found challenge with that. How's it affected Spring?
It's very challenging, I would say, because we get much more contribution, but right now the quality of the pull requests is lower because people are exciting. Much more junior developers are just saying, create a pull request for this issue. No real review, no real accountability. So we try to educate our community to use AI as a super powerful tool, but then take accountability for what they provide, review, fix, take the time to read, and it takes time to review a pull request. But if they don't take the time, and currently we are really overwhelmed by triaging a lot of low quality pull requests, and it's not really helping. So we try to educate our community to slow a bit, review, take accountability, and increase the quality of what they submit.
That accountability is so key. I've spoken to so many experienced developers recently who are highlighting that it's fine to use AI, but we need to maintain that accountability and we need to stay as owners of what we're doing. So if anyone wants to get involved in Spring, what's a good way of then taking that accountability, but getting involved and starting to be part of the project?
I think usually the best way is to work on features that you need. So bug that you experience, to try to fix them. Check if there is an open issue. If there is not, create one. If there is an existing one, work on a PR. But like we just discussed, use AI maybe to get a bit of context, but then review, try, provide a good test, a good reproducer. And this will really help. Basically something that is almost ready for integration. We just have to double check if that's okay, and then we merge it. So yeah, it can really help, this kind of high quality contribution. And we can help newcomers and guide people, but just we want people to slow down a bit.
So if anyone wants to start using Spring or looking to learn how to leverage it in their project, what is a good way to get started?
The best way to go to start.spring.io, and basically you will get a Spring project generator when you can choose Gradle or Maven, the version of Spring Boot. If you need web, AI, whatever dependency, and then you get a project that is ready to start in your favorite IDE. And this is really, start.spring.io is really the obvious option to start a Spring project.
Awesome. Thank you, Sebastian. And if anyone wants to reach out and contact you or follow you, what's the best way of getting in touch?
So I'm available on LinkedIn, Mastodon, and Blue Sky, and all my social media contacts are on seb.deleuze.fr, which is my website. So you can go there and find all my contacts.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Sebastian.